Oh, it's getting hot! I'm starting to sweat.
We have an hour of driving. Well, temporarily.
No, don't do that.
No, wait.
No, that just got really hot. Pull that up. Serve all the air conditioning we have.
It sucks, dude.
Okay, listen, no talking.
The fan is not on.
Work! Here's something, dude. No,
The car just dies.
Ashes. No.
No, stop hitting it. The fan is like not on. Why does that car have its turn signal on? I'm gonna stop. Like pull over and stop and shut it off and turn it back on and see if it starts.
You sweating yet?
Yeah.
It's not gonna help to roll down the damn windows either.
Well, it'll be better than cooking in here.
Now you're starting to hit it.
I'm seriously, I'm gonna pull over, okay?
Oh my god.
No, I'll pull over after this whole thing.
You don't shut up, you don't have jeans on. Oh, Lord, please be with our car. Let it not be broken.
Here we go, ready?
Oh, hurry up, whatever you're gonna do.
Shut it off.
We're doomed. Roll the windows down. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Roll all the windows down.
This is bullshit. What's that smell?
Outside.